Okay, y'all, happy new year. Even though I know new year is in the spring, but I'm still saying happy new year, happy new day. Okay. So, y'all, I got everything delivered. Got so many deliveries, so y'all grab y'all some snacks, some wine, some champagne, some water, some popcorn, and let's get ready to do our what? Grocery haul from Publix. Y'all know what? It says refer a friend and get $5. Okay, so I'm referring every last one of you. Okay, yeah, Instacart, no joke. Instacart is a food delivery service, and let me tell you something. I would rather sit back and relax and let somebody else do the work. Yes, that's where I am, okay? I got other things to do. Skincare routine, traveling first class. We don't got time to go shopping. No, 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 no. Okay, y'all. Okay, so we're in the backyard today. We're in the backyard, and y'all can still hear. Y'all can still hear the y'all can still hear the birds, but not so bad. Okay, y'all. So we got. When I go grocery shopping, I make sure I get two of everything. So, cause I'm not going back and forth to the store. Okay, so y'all know my princess fur baby, my Coco. That's my Bookie Dookie Dookie, and she loves her turkey. So I got her two of these. This is the large size, and she likes the Publix brand, of course. So we got two of those. And those Jimmy Dean sausages, y'all. You know, you could get them in the patty or the links. I got two of these. This is the turkey sausage. We don't do no swine around here. I'm Hebrew. Even if I wasn't Hebrew, I wouldn't be eating no swine. No, sir. No. Now this is cute. We have the backyard is nice. You just need to clean it up a bit, but it's very nice. Got a lot of trees back here. I love being out in nature. If y'all haven't tried it, y'all need to go try it. Just be out in nature. It gives you different vibration. It really does. It really does. Okay, so now, yes, y'all. Y'all eat bagels. My favorite brand is Thomas. I got it right. Thomas Bagels. Thomas Bagels. I got two of these, and I normally eat one of these with my turkey sausage. I was gonna get some eggs, but y'all know what? I haven't been eating eggs that much. I haven't eaten an egg in I don't know when. But I'm still getting my protein. But y'all know meat and eggs is a lot of protein. So okay, so anyway, let's move on. And we got. Let me get sharp cheddar. Yes, and Coco love her cheese snacks that I make for her. Her little charcuterie board. One of the other board is in there on the bed. But this is what she likes. In her charcuterie board, she loves a slice of cheese. I just give her one slice of cheese and I cut it up real small along with her turkey. Then she have her kibbles and her bottled water. Yes, she's a princess, darn it. Drink bottled water around here. What's on, y'all? For real, y'all need to get outside. Just go outside in your front yard or your backyard and for real, and get in under the trees and tell you something. These trees are alive. Trees will talk to you. No joke. We connect. When I say we, I'm talking about us so-called Negroes. We are the Hebrews of the Old Testament. Yes, that's our history book. We are the true royal family and forever. We are the royal 12 tribe of Israel. And those who don't know, you're going to find out real quick, so get ready, baby. Our 400-year punishment bent over. Okay? It bent over. So, and guess what? Me and Coco, we've been had our bags packed ever since 2019. So be ready when that chariot comes. No joke. Okay, but anyway, we got two of these. We got two of these. And, oh, yeah. And I got my potato salad. And y'all know what I'm putting with that. And then we got some. Don't fall. And of course I had to get some more butter. It's four in here. 4 in here. And okay. Okay, y'all, so the last items, y'all know I have to keep that potassium right. Orange juice. I got 2 of these. 2. And y'all know what I'm pairing with my potato salad. This is, okay, y'all. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. I hope they got me all flats and all, but it's okay. I knew they weren't gonna do that. But those wings, the box of wings, my gosh, honey. Publix wings, Publix, everything is good. Okay, so yeah, we got some wings. 20 piece. Okay, I had to turn it the wrong way. Don't play. Plain fried chicken wings, 20 pieces. Okay. So we're gonna be eating that. Me and Coco is gonna be eating that along with, oh, y'all wanna be, I got all pretty. What the heck going on? Eat this with our potato salad. Y'all, but y'all know what I forgot. Y'all know what I forgot? I normally have some the Hawaiian sweet rolls. Oh, yeah. But it's okay though. We got our potato salad, y'all. We got our potato salad. Ooh, me and Coco, we're gonna have a good old feast. We always have a good old feast. No joke. We don't play. We don't play. We living it up. We don't play. Okay, y'all. Y'all, thanks for watching our Publix grocery haul on this beautiful Happy New Year. Okay. Y'all, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Also, shop our luxury online stores. I love my skin, and that's our skincare brand. Yes, I even placed some orders for myself. I'm waiting on my the general cleanser and the toner. It's coming, so I should have that by the end of the week, y'all. I got my compact, you know. It is so cute. It's so cute. And those of you that is thinking about starting a business, go ahead and start it. Shopify has a trial offer. $1, okay? It's only $1 a month for 3 months. And then at that 3rd month, pick a plan. You can pick a plan for $39.99, okay? And have your business. And guess what? The whole entire world is your customers, okay? So there's no, if you want to be a millionaire, billionaire, trillionaire, you could do it. All you got to do is get in alignment. And getting in alignment means just what I just said. Start that business. The whole entire world is your customers. So say the Most High got trillions of people out there. So you're a trillionaire. And guess what? You know who do the blessings? The Most High. You keep him first, your cup is going to run over with blessings forever. Trust me, I know. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. And join us because me and Princess Chick Fur Baby Coco, honey, we are going to be doing some exclusive content, and you do not want to miss that. Okay, the old world is done. All of that Hollywood stuff, no, they're done. We are the new us influencers. No joke, no joke. We're in a whole new world. Hollywood is done. No joke, no joke. Every time you turn on, well, we don't even got to turn on TV. Who the hell turn on TV? I guarantee you, most people spend more time on their iPhone watching YouTube or be on social media platforms. Ain't nobody fool with no TV. Anyway, y'all, Happy New Year's. Be safe. Be sober. I'm finna get my Corbel champagne because my wings have arrived. Okay?